If your faucet handle keeps dripping even after you shut it off, you've got to fix that fast before your water bill blows up and you end up with a mini waterfall in your sink. So first, don't just tighten the handle harder. That usually doesn't work and might even mess things up more. What you really want to do is replace the cartridge or valve inside the faucet, because those parts control the flow of water and can wear out over time. Start by turning off the main water supply to avoid surprises when you take the faucet apart. Next, pop off the handle carefully. Usually, there's a little screw hiding under a cap or at the base. After that, pull out the cartridge or valve and check for any cracks, mineral buildup, or worn-out seals that might be causing the drip. If you spot any damage, or if it just looks old, swap it out with a new one from your local hardware store. While you're at it, clean any gunk or buildup inside the faucet body so everything moves smoothly. Once you've put everything back together, turn your water back on and test it out. No more drip means you nailed it. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with a faucet handle dripping after shutoff is ignoring the problem for too long, which wastes tons of water and racks up your bill. Fix this by addressing leaks as soon as you notice them. Another common issue is trying to fix it without turning off the main water supply first. This can lead to water spraying everywhere and a huge mess. Always shut off your water before starting. Lastly, some folks replace just the wrong part or don't know what type of cartridge their faucet uses, ending up with parts that don't fit right. Make sure to identify your faucet model and buy the correct replacement part before starting. BigHomeProjects.com is like your go-to hookup for finding trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing with home repairs. Plus, if you're a contractor, it helps you get work by connecting you with homeowners who need reliable pros.